Hello. There's a flock of beaky birds, and we're trying to get close to them, but they're a bit scared of mice, and there's a load of them, and they were just litter picking this corner here, there's litter pickers, and they're all over the place, and they walk around the town with their funny long beaks, and I think they work for critical waste, litter picking, but they don't need paying because they just eat all the rubbish. Look, there's some. Now they're off to the park. Oh, this tree's got flares on. Oh, a red-faced ducky! Hello, red-face. You have got a really facey face. What are you doing? Waggly? Waggly? Hello?